Hello students, in the last class you learned how to represent rational numbers on a number line, and exercise 1.2 two questions I have given as a assignments. So today we will start with the exercise 1.2 with the question number. So question number 3, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So you have to write a 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So you write any rational number, it should be less than 2. The denominator maybe you can take 3, 6, 5. Okay, so you can take any denominator. Now here, so you can directly write 5 rational numbers which are less than 2. I have written as here minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 you can write, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. So these 5 I have written. Or one more method you can write it as 2 can be written as 6 by 3. Or you can write it as 8 by 4 too also. So thus, so some of the now here, what 2 can be written as? It can be written as 6 by 3. So 6 by 3, so can be, so in between, so less than 6 by 3, you have to write the rational numbers. So that is 6 by 3 is 2. So less than 6 by 3, you have to write the rational numbers. So it may be negative, you can write down. Now here I have written 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 1, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So or you can take it as 8 by 4 also. So you can write less than 8 by 4 like 3 by 4, 4 by 4 it will be 1, 5 by 4. So you can write any numbers. That is 5 rational numbers you can smaller than 2 you can write. Next question is find 10 rational numbers between 2 minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So now here these two rational numbers are given. So what are the rational numbers given? Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So now the first step to find the 10 rational numbers between these two rationals. So what we have to find, first we have to find the LCM. So what the denominators are here? 5 and 2. So first find the LCM of 5 and 2. That will be 10. So LCM is 10. So minus 2 by 5 I'll take the number. So to make a denominator 10, what I have to multiply? I have to multiply 2. 5 2s are 10. So I have to multiply 2 both numerator and denominator. So here minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 5 2s are 10. So you have to make a denominators equal. Then so one more rational number here, it is 1 by 2. Then here what I have to multiply to make it 10? So I have to multiply 5. So 5 with the numerator and denominator both. So 1 5 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So here denominators are made a equal. So then it is easy to find the rational numbers. Now here between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So how many? I have to find a 10 rational numbers. So between these two, if I write minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. So I'll get only 8 rational number. So I need a 10 rational number. So again, what you have to do? Again, you multiply both numerator and denominator with a one number. You can multiply 2, 3, 4, 5 depends on. But here since only two more I require rational numbers, so I multiply 2. 1 if multiply it remains same. So next number I can multiply it as 2. So again I have multiplied this number minus 4 by 10 with the 2 by 2. Both the rational numbers I'll write multiply numerator and denominator with the 2 to get a 10 rational number. Because in between these two I'm not getting a 10 rational numbers. So I'll multiply again 2 because you have to make a denominator same. So both you should multiply with the same number. So now here, that too you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator. So here first one is here minus 4 by 10. So minus 4 by 10, I'll multiply numerator denominator with 2. So it will be minus 8 by 20. And here it is 5 by 10. I'll multiply numerator and denominator with the 2. So I'll get back 10 by 20. So see that denominator should be same of both the numbers. So try to find LCM. If after finding LCM also you are not getting after getting a numbers, you are not able to find the rational numbers, again you have to multiply the rational numbers with a number. Now here the number is we have got is minus 8 by 20, 10 by 20. So you can write 10 rational numbers between these two. So here minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by minus 4, minus 3 by 20. So remember, denominator should be same for all the rational number. So here these are the rational numbers you can write. Further you can write 4 by 20, 5 by 20, but I need only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have written only 10 rational numbers. Next question is find the same question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So here 2 rational numbers are given, that is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So now first what I have told you, find the LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators? 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So to make first number is rational number is 2 by 3. To make a denominator 15, I'll multiply 5. So 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the 5. So you'll get the rational number 10 by 15. So one more here I have 4 by 10. So to make a denominator 15, what I'll multiply? 3. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the 3. So I'll get the number 12 by 15. So now I have 10 by 15, 12 by 15. So here only I'll get a 11 by 15. So you have to leave 10 by 15. Okay. So you have to take 11 by 15, 12 by 15. So I'll get only a one rational number between these two. That will be 11 by 15. So I have to get how many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers. So you multiply with the if I get multiply 2 also, I'll not get a rational number. So next I can multiply 4 or a 5, whichever you can take a number. You can multiply instead of 4 here, you can multiply 5 also. I have multiplied 4 here, you can multiply 5 also. But denominator should be the same, that you have to remember. Now your first number is 10 by 15. Okay, here second number rational number is 12 by 15. So what I am multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4. So here also 4 I have multiplied. You can multiply 5, 6, 7. Okay, depends on how many rational numbers you require. Now here I have multiplied 4. So 10 4s are 40, 15 4s are 60, 12 4s are 48, 15 4s are 60. So in between 40 by 60 and 48 by 60, so I can write the rational number as, so you should leave these two. Between these two you have to write. So you have to leave this one and this one, the rest all you can write. So 41 by 60, 42, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60. Another you can write 46 by 60, 47 by 60. So these are the, now I've written only these 5 rational numbers which are required. Next, one more example I have here. Question number 6. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So these are the 2 rational numbers given. So here first you have to find a LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So to make first one is, the rational number is minus 3 by 2. To make a denominator, what I have to multiply? 2, 3s are. So I have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the 3. So minus 3 into 3 minus 9, 2 3s are 6. So next rational number is here 5 by 3. So what I have to multiply? 2. I have to multiply to make a denominator 6 because LCM is here 6. So now here 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Now here minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. So I'll get 5 rational numbers easily. So no need to multiply a number here. So here minus 9 by 6 it will be, I can leave this, and the next number is minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6. You can write any numbers, you can write between these two. So now here I have written minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, and I have written some positive also, 2 by 6. So you can write any rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Now I have assignments here. So here I have 3 questions. Please do solve. So this completes first chapter of rational number. So in the next class we will see linear equations. That will be the next chapter, new chapter. So we'll start with the linear equations in a next class.